Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Anwar and you are watching Dynamic English Academy. Today we are going to talk about how to use causative verb get. There are several other usage of get, but get as a causative verb, as the name causative suggests, that it is related to cause. It means the subject is a cause for the work to be done. It is usually used like passive sentences. For example, मैं बाल कटवाता हूँ. In this sentence, मैं means I is the subject which is not doing anything. The work is done by the barber. For example, I get hair cut by the barber. So the word hair is important, that comes after get. It means object is more important in that kind of sentences more than subject. But the subject that becomes cause, that is in the beginning, it means it is also very, very important. Let's take another example like मैं मोची से जूते पॉलिश कराता हूँ. Here I am not focusing on who is doing that work. I am focusing on the work to be done. Like मैं जूते पॉलिश करवाता हूँ. I get my shoes polished by the cobbler. If I don't say by the cobbler, there is no effect on the sentence. But here the main word is shoes and the work is polish. The person I is the one who arranges everything to be done. Like I get the shoes polished. Now, if you want, you can make the sentences in different tenses as well. For example, I get the homework done by my children. I get the homework done by my children. I can make this sentence in past, like I got the homework done by my children. Or I can also say in future, I will get the homework done by my children. So if you think about, you might be thinking like, in how many tenses we can use this? In all types of tenses you can use this sentence. For example, let's say I get the work done. I can make it in different tenses, like in past, I got the work done, or I am getting the work done, or I have gotten the work done, or I have been getting the work done. Or you can use it in like I had gotten the work done before you came. Or I can use it with modal verbs as well, like I should get the work done, or you should have gotten the work done. What I'm trying to say is, in any type of sentence you can make the sentence like using get and make this causative sentence. When you don't do the work, you get the work done by somebody else. Then you can make sentences like this. I get my shoes polished. मैं जूते polish करवाता हूँ. Now you can think of some sentences which you get it done by somebody else and comment below. So I would love to see it, how many sentences you can make and how many people are going to leave the comment. I read each and every comment. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.